took note of the challenges, as you mentioned. I won't respond to each one of them, but I took note. You mentioned food issues, health issues, education issues, and I will discuss with my colleagues and also partners, and we will see what we can do to respond to some of these important points. The budget is not very big, but we will try to see. Also, I heard what you said about markets and about transport, bicycle. These are more decisions for the authorities. Can I just humbly support your request with the authorities and see whether these requests can be considered favorably? I also would like to respond to the points made about voluntary repatriation. And just to say that it is not the only solution, but it is a very important one. And let me assure you, UNHCR will continue to stand very firmly on the point that any repatriation to whichever country, Congo or Burundi, has to be voluntary. So the rights have to be respected. But I hear that this is also the view of the government of Tanzania.